you doing?
Buying things.
What? Show me them.
They're little towels. This one
Nice.
and this one.
Nice.
I don't
What
need
store
it.
are we in?
No.
The Japanese store.
Miniso.
What's the name of this?
Miniso.
Miniso?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey Carl, you want to get this totally unbranded transformation toy? What is this, a back massager?
I guess. I just like the place that I want to push can be pushed by pushing 2 points.
Do you want to draw something?
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you.
This is the before. I just drew this. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Carl, look it, I fixed it.
That's so cool. Sounds like I'm making the music for worms.
Okay, let's go. Carl, what do you get?
I'm here for shorts, and I'm.
But you
instead
found
trying
two
on
shirts and a tie.
tie.
But now we're looking at shorts. Here, look at it. They're even labeled. What is that?
It's like some bread with bacon. And I think it's Asiago cheese and some other stuff.
Let's put it in your mouth. What else did you get?
There's a chocolate roll thing. Some more bread.
Some more bread. Some more
This
bread.
has it's like a coconut, some coconut in it or something. And there's a lot of bread products.
Nice. Try it. Is it good?
It's so sweet.
Let me try. Try it.
You'll probably like it. I did try it.
We'll have another bite for the camera. Describe it. Describe it as if you are reviewing it like a professional wine taster would review wine. What are their hints of? Mahogany?
Olive. It's very
Earthy? It's very
earthy,
chocolatey.
full-bodied chocolate. What are other wine things that they say?
I don't know.
It's very winey.
What's that one, Catherine?
I don't know.
What's it say on the bottom?
It's like a marble black tie.
Black tie.
It's so spongy.
What?
Looks like it has the same texture as the roll.
I want to
I
buy.
really like it. This is my favorite. That's why they're all sold out. This is the last one.
Ooh, it's cold. It's weird. It is like a sponge. This one tastes more like a cake. This one's a cinnamon twist.
That one does not look spongy at all.
Damn.
Jago. Jago. Jago.
No.
Jago. Jago.
Which one is your favorite
It's
one?
flaky.
I don't
It's
know.
buttery.
This one was
Sweet.
pretty good,
It's cinnamony.
but you guys don't have the one that I got that was like just like this big and covered in powdered sugar.
I think you'd appreciate this. Do you?
Not bad.
Bacon and cheese also looks like some herbs. We're gonna try it.
I forget what's on it. It's so good. There you go. It's a nice healthy bite. I see. My reaction was not overdone at all. He just immediately smiles as he takes his bite. It's so good.
I like
That's a 10 out of 10 right there.
I knew it. Doggo.
What's your final verdict on that bakery?
I really like it.
12 out of 5.
I wanna
Would
try coffee from
definitely
there.
bake again.
Yeah, I want to come back here all the time.